And we are back for round 3 of our fantastic Ford Ranger timing cover escapade. So it came back with that leak that I mentioned, and we pulled it back off, cleaned everything up just like this, and put it all back together. And I fixed that leak, but I got a leak somewhere else in a different spot. So here's our old one. What I believe happened was, with all this silicone, it takes quite a bit of effort to pry it off the engine, and you got to get like an actual pry bar and like jam it in and like peel it off. And what that does is it warps this surface a little bit. You can kind of see it, especially there. So this is no longer flat, and the first time around I got it on the bench and I hammered it out and thought that I got it smooth or straight enough that it wouldn't be a problem, but I was obviously wrong. So we have a new one, and now I've learned a lesson that we'll be doing new ones every single time from now on, with all of the Ford Ranger engine heads that I probably shouldn't ever do again because my team is too small for this kind of work. But anyway, brand new, perfectly straight. It's already clean, so that's nice. I've cleaned up the engine, that's ready to go. So silicone, put it back together. I got the seal somewhere, I put it on the bench. So that's for the crankshaft. And we shall put it all together for the third time, and we are definitely not going to have any more leaks or any more problems, and it's going to be perfect for another 300 million kilometers. All right, start making the mess and put it all back together.